My name is Riley. My favorite food is strawberries. And I'm 5 years old. Cheese and
Milkshakes.
Milkshakes. And thanks for my sister who's
Hi, my name is Royale. I'm 7, second grade. You know me. Today, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, turn on the notifications, hit the bell button, add some Stop. Give me a big thumbs up, add the comments, and like our video. It's our first video, so you don't know.
You always wash your hands before you're dealing with food. How long do you guys wash your hands to get coronavirus off?
20 seconds.
All right.
And if you
We
want
already
to make
washed
sure
our
it's
hands.
off, you do 20 minutes.
20 minutes, that's a long time. You might have wrinkly fingers.
I know.
So we have our So Delicious creamy vanilla soy milk ice cream, and we use flax milk, and these are our favorites. So we have organic strawberries, flax milk, and soy ice cream.
Mommy, you're basically telling me what we can eat. Mm-hmm. And then they're going to come to our house and say, what are you doing? I think that's always in my dream. We're decorating our cups for you.
You decorated my cup?
No, this is
No.
This is mine.
Unless you want to take mine.
No, I want to decorate my cup.
Okay. So.
No, that's Daddy. No, that's Daddy. No, that's Daddy.
No, you can start decorating Daddy's, Riley.
No, Daddy's going to decorate his.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, he's going to decorate his.
He's eating beans inside.
Well, go ahead and cut this. Go ahead and cut it.
Well, that's not how you hand the scissors to someone. Okay.
Them like this.
Whoa, we got a learning moment. Okay. So how do you hand people scissors?
Oh yeah, now we know. Royale taught me. You hold them like this.
Yep, you always hand somebody scissors with the sharp end covered with the handing them the handle part.
Mommy, look.
So,
Next step, we need to put some icing around the rim. It's not a little challenge to get it, Royale.
okay, I'm going to push these on to make sure they're on.
Look. Mommy, is this how we do it?
I've been pressing them down like this
Mommy,
so
is
they
this how
will
we do
stay.
This
Yeah.
is how we do it, right?
Yep, that's fine. I'm going to use this one, this knife, and I'm going
I
to...
took the icing off my finger. That was yummy.
I'm going to lightly spread.
Wait, is that icing? Daddy, we're about to have a milkshake.
My rim is all done.
Milkshake sounds good.
Some ice.
You shh. Oh.
go. Here we go. First cup.
Jesus, Lord, have
First cup of
mercy.
milkshake. That is a nice cup of milkshake. Mommy gotta put some milk. Let me see your cup. Mommy gotta put. This is yours. Mommy gotta put some whipped cream on it. Milk.
You just straight out air.
Yes. Hold on. Come on.
That was 2 big cups right there.
This looks so yummy.
Make sure they subscribe and hit like and
She already did that.
and stay tuned in.
She already did that.
Okay.
Well, they gotta finish it up for tonight.
Bye. This
There
is
you
good.
go. We'll
It's
get
so
back
good.
with you guys another time.
Yeah.
Don't forget to pound the like button, hit subscribe, and
If you
share.
want to make this at home, go ahead and make it.